আমার কাছে নাম লইব আমারটা যত কম পারস আবার তুমি পিছনের দিকে আসো Tanish and Toshi, you should make a conversation between you about this budget.
Hi Tishi, how are you?
I'm fine. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Do you know, very soon we are arrange a picnic from our school.
Yes, I know. Where are you going to?
We're going to Coxbazar.
Are you interested in it?
Yes, I'm interested in it. What about you?
I'm so interested. What do you want to go?
Eh?
What do you want to do?
I want to take pictures and buy pickles. What about you?
I also enjoy the view of the sea and buy some pickles. Which type of food do you prefer?
I like to buy seafood. Seafood. What about you?
I like to prefer seafood too.
Mm.
Okay, thank you. See you again.